To that remarkable scientific breakthrough. 13,000 years after the last dire wolf walked the earth, scientists say they've now brought them back. Here's our chief national correspondent Matt Gutman with the video tonight.
Tonight, a howl 13,000 years in the making. In a first for science, biotech company Colossal Biosciences says it brought the extinct direwolf back to life, a species that hasn't walked the earth since the Stone Age.
The direwolf is the first de-extinct species.
Well known from HBO's hit show Game of Thrones, ABC News given exclusive access into Colossal's lab in Dallas, where scientists are using genes from gray wolves to create dire wolves.
We've taken a gray wolf genome, a gray wolf cell, which is already genetically 99.5% identical to dire wolves, and we've edited those cells at multiple places in its DNA sequence to contain the dire wolf version of the DNA. That animal looks like a dire wolf, it will behave like a dire wolf, and it is a dire wolf.
Now, 7 months old, dire wolves Romulus and Remus eating well and getting bigger every day. And David, the company tells us they're not stopping there. They plan to have woolly mammoths roaming the earth again by 2028. But critics argue that this de-extinction could harm fragile ecosystems. David?
Yeah, the images are really something, Matt. Thank you.
Looks like you're getting a $3,200 refund.
Did she mention that at H&R Block, everyone gets their max refund or their money back?
And we always guarantee
100% accuracy on every return.
You had me at max refund.
Switch to H&R Block.
All right. First of all, the animals were engineered. The animals were engineered with gene editing technology on gray wolf DNA. They incorporated traits from dire wolf fossils. There was actually 3 pups, not 2. They said Romulus and the other one. There was also Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi or whatever from the Game of Thrones. Go figure. They are genetically 99.5 to 99.9% gray wolf with only a small fraction of their DNA edited to mimic dire wolf traits. Alright, so they're just edited. They ain't even really dire wolves. It ain't even like they almost created a dire wolf. They just changed some gray wolf traits. And why are we wasting money on doing this? This is crazy. There ain't no telling how much that costed for them to do that. They eat about 6 pounds of meat plus 3 cups of dry food daily. They reside in a secure 2,000-acre facility in the northern United States, certified by the American Humane Society. How's creating animals humane? That's not humane. That's some Nephilim type stuff. Anyways, man, y'all put in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate it. Whisper about it. God bless.